Back everyone, how you going? I just did some slow-mo on, yeah. Got the lightning on slow-mo. Whoa, there we go. We're in for a hell of a storm here. Bring it on everyone, bring it on. Oh, go Mother Nature, bring it on. Love it, love it, love it. Love it. Oh, there you go. Awesome lightning storm. Bring it on, Mother Nature. Love your work. Love your work. Awesome. Awesome. More light in the merrier. Thanks for your predictions, Woz and Patrick. Whoa, there you go. How good's that? This is as good as it gets. Love a good storm. Love a good storm. Bring it on. Hear that everyone? Oh God, love the light. Whoa, there you go. That is so cool. That is so cool. That is so cool. Split the sky. I'll get a couple more, then I'll put it on slow-mo so that you get to enjoy it even more. Thank you, Mother Nature. Love it, love it, love it. Bring it on. Bring it on. Bring it on. Whoa, that was amazing. A sky splitter, that one. Whew, this is beautiful to watch. There you go. Oh, fantastic, isn't it? Absolutely fantastic. Thanks for joining me everyone, by the way. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Okay. Now I'm going to go over to slow-mo and see what happens. Thanks everyone.